How's it going, everybody? This is going to be Merch by Amazon sales update. It is April 4th, so I'm going to do sales update for the last couple of days, basically since the beginning of April, but I'll talk about the weekend as well. I'm sitting at 30 right now, first thing in the morning on the 4th, so I'm averaging about 10 sales a day. This has been pretty much what's been happening in March and for most of February. So no real change, at least for the first 3 days of the month. My US sales are I'm sitting at 45, like 50-ish average, 7 day average, and then this month 17. So, about average of five a day, and I would say that's bad, right? But that's been the theme for my US sales for the last couple of months. Like I'll have days like this where I have 12 and a bunch of sevens, but then a three comes in, which is kind of strange. The weekend again, still, I mean, it's still pretty much the same thing. 19 total. So again, I'm sitting at that 10 a day, and I'm okay with that. But the of course I want growth, I want an increase, and actually I feel like because of the products that I've been listing over the last couple of months, I've changed my strategy a little bit where I'm not really just pushing, uh, you know, kind of like evergreens all day long, every day, because I came to a point where I just realized, you know what, I can list 1,000 products and thousands of similar not only designs, but like all within the same niche will already be up and with the history of sales and reviews. So the new strategy that I made a couple of months ago was to lift to list very unique products and basically with international markets in mind, and it's paying off, and it actually feels really, really good. So I think this year will be a little different. I'm very positive about what's happening, and I can actually see that in the results too. Now, this is the number that I've been thinking about for a while because I have so much room here, right? There's so many opportunities. Uh, and because the top sellers are always, t-shirts, pop sockets, and a few other types of shirts, uh, I could easily, use this number for just simply new designs. Like there's nothing preventing me from, uh, you know, uploading 500 new designs every day, right? What I have been doing is concentrating on this number because, I can do 20, 30 designs uh, and push it to 66 products, and I'm up to 2,000 uh, new products every single day. But I'm thinking, does it make sense to just concentrate on this number, which basically means just pumping out new designs as much as possible, and putting them on, those main product types. It would be hard from the just time because there's no way that I can actually do more than, let's say, if I really, really push myself, more than 100 designs or 200 designs uh, a day. Uh, but uh, but like if I was to actually take weekends and spend time actually developing those designs, I could do more each day. But right now, like I'm pushing maybe 20 to 30 new designs each day, but still getting 2,000 products up, right? Sometimes 1,500, sometimes I'll go for the full 2,400. But when it comes to the number of designs, it's always, between, I don't know, 20 and 50. So those are not huge numbers. But anyways, that's kind of the room that I have, room for improvement and opportunity. But overall, I mean, I'm happy with what's happening because even on the worst days, I'm getting 10 sales a day average, right? So that's actually kind of where I am, and it feels good. So just to go back, this was my weekend, 19 sales in total, and then if we look at this month, we're sitting at 30, so averaging 10 a day. Can't complain. I feel good about that, but I mean, I definitely want to see, me average, 100 sales a day. So, anyways, maybe we'll get to that point one day, but we'll see. So that's it for now. Thank you guys. I'll see you soon.